All right, Buggy. What did Mama find you?
A cicada.
A cicada shell?
Yeah.
In her journeys with the piggies?
Yeah.
Do you want to go play with it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, the piggies are gassed. They're just sitting by the vent from their walk. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, look at that thing. Hold on, put it down. Let's observe it real quick. Let's look at it through the lens here. Look at how big that thing is. Roar! Hold on a second, let me move this thing. Is it gonna get me? Look at your daddy's hands. That could be a hand model. Whoa, look at that thing. Boom.
He's in the
Where'd it go? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, I lost him. I lost him. All right, I got him again. Look at that cicada. Pick him up, bruh. Oh.
Cicada.
Cicada. Daddy's production value on this video is lacking. You gonna put him down? Let me see if I can zoom in on that guy. Whoa! Be careful with that thing. Uh-oh, this looks bad. You're gonna, uh-oh. I don't know what are you gonna crush him? Don't crush him. You wanna put him in that plastic bag? Is this a plastic bag for cicadas?
Yeah. I want the cicada go in the bag.
That's Morgan's treats. Remember Morgan? The dog that was over here the other week? All right, put that cicada in there. There you go. Cool beans. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.